Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. So if you're trying to take a picture on your iPhone, let's say I want to take a picture of this particular object, and then you go ahead and open your iPhone camera. But in this case, you want your iPhone camera to focus and stop focusing at every point where you move your camera like this. Then you need to use autofocus. Then how do you use autofocus? So you just need to do is press and hold the camera, and then once you see AA/AF, that shows exposure and autofocus lock, then this is going to lock the focus on this particular object. Then you can now use the slider here to adjust the focus on the object and then reduce it. So this is going to adjust the AE and AF focus on the object like this. Then you cannot go ahead and take your picture. However, if you want to disable autofocus on your iPhone camera while using it, it is quite easy and direct. All you just need to do is locate anywhere on the screen and then click on it once. You're going to see AE/AF disabled, and then your iPhone camera is going to start refocusing. So you press this to focus, and everything you take on the camera is going to be visible, really visible, when you have the AE and AF locked. See that? Then, if you want to disable it, just go ahead and click anywhere around the iPhone screen, and then you should see your iPhone refocusing each time it gets an object. You see that? And that is to tell you you've disabled or turned off the autofocus on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.